Get it.
Adjust.
Yo, catch it.
Slow down.
Yes.
Get that.
Nope.
Jason.
Two guys.
Ow! Oh,
Good
shit!
job, Shane. Good job.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Good, beautiful.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't expecting that one.
Nah, it's good.
Go up. Split him.
Oh.
Back to Jimmy.
4.
Back to Jimmy.
Yep.
Good
Wow.
Good stuff.
Sorry.
Push it. Nick.
Really good strategy. Is it? Is he really gonna beat that man? Over like 14? Got your butt hole in Saturday night, huh? How'd that feel? Feels fucking terrible now. Shit, getting an ass kicked. Was that game?